Myself, Dr. Anurag Chandre, Department of Commerce, Naugan Education Society's Arts Commerce College, Parali Vaijanad. Today, I am going to discuss on personality development. Personality development is very important factor in our life. This video I have to make for faculty development program organized by PG Government College, UP Government. Here I am going to give the definition of personality. Here one quotation I am reading given by the Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was President of United States of America. Very famous President of America. Abraham Lincoln was said about personality. Personality is like a tree and reputation is like a shadow. The shadow is what we think of it. The trees is the real thing. मैं इसे हिंदी में भी बताना चाहूँगा, बोलना चाहूँगा। हर व्यक्ति का व्यक्तिमत्व डिफरेंट होता है, अलग होता है। तो इस पर्सनालिटी के बारे में अब्राहम लिंकन ने वेरी important quotation is given. व्यक्ति का व्यक्तिमत्व एक झाड़ की तरह होता है और just like shadow is the personality. Personality development is very important concept in every person. Today's world is demand to cycle nature personality. Personality is sum total of an individual psycho physical system that determines behavior in given environment and situation. Personality differs from person to person depending on their varying psychophysical aspects. For some people, personality means charm, grace, and attractiveness, whereas to others it is unitary mode of response to life situation. The term personality has been derived from Latin word persona, which means to speak through. It refers to the term mask worn by the actors in the ancient Greek dramas. In general, personality refers to physical attractiveness. It is a narrow sense, but in reality, it includes something more. Here, some definition is given by the expert of personality development. Personality development definition is given Hildegard it according to by Hildegard. Hildegard said personality may be understood as the characteristics, pattern of behavior and modes of thinking that determines a person adjustment to the environment or situation. हिलगार्ड कहते हैं पर्सनैलिटी मीन्स व्यक्ति का नेचर मीन्स बिहेवियर, चारित्र्य और खुद के विचार और अलग अलग परिस्थितियों में हाउ टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज, हाउ टू एडजस्टमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड पर्सनैलिटी. अकॉर्डिंग टू Roos is expert of personality development. Roos said personality can be described as a how he understands and view himself and his pattern of inner and outer measurable traits. Roos said about the personality internal and external or outer pattern of the person. Some here aspects of personality. External accepts means features of the personality: height, weight, facial features, colors and clothings, etc. Physical aspects and traits. Some internal aspects of the personality. Attitude means your thought. Values means your cultural, your behavior, learning, characteristics. Internal aspects of personality are more important and long lasting than external. Suppose one person has height, suitable weight, he is smart, colorful, very nice dressing he has also, but he has no think, he has no values, he has no characteristics. That person has zero personality, we can say. Here internal factor is very important for the personality. Some factors determine on the personality. There are different determinants of personality given different thinkers. All these are broadly classified into 3 groups. These are factors impact on personality development or personality. Number first, or we can A, heredity. Means some genes comes from our parents. Heredity, factors determined by birth. Biological factors lying in the chromosomes of the germ cells, like physical stature, facial attractiveness, muscles, compositions, etc. Factors coming from our our parents. Then next factor, impact on personality, environment. Early conditioning, family norms, friends, social groups, culture, values, attitudes, region and religion, political background, media, workplace, school, college, experience, etc. Urban area, rural area, these are all factor impact on personality to development or to growth. Then situation. It influence effect of heredity and environment on personality. In reality, individual personality change with the change in situation. Then, according to personality differs from person to person as per the following traits. Reserved versus outgoing, less intelligent versus more intelligent, emotional versus emotionally stable, submissive versus dominant, serious versus happy go lucky, expedient versus conscientious, timid versus venturous, tough minded, sensitive, relaxed versus tense, group dependent versus self sufficient. These are affected factor to personality. There are some types of personality: introvert personality, extrovert personality, type of a personality, type of B personality, judging personality, how personality development. This is important point. Personality develops with the advancement in age, passing through several stages in sequences order. Sigmund Freud is a psychologist, very famous psychologist in the world, a pioneer in this field, developed the concept for stages for personality development: oral, anal, phylic, latency, genteel. Top quality people: good character, honesty, high moral value, the positive attitude. Your attitude contributes to source. According to research conducted at Harvard University, in getting a job, success attitude contribute 85% and 15% contribution goes to degree, smartness and knowledge of work. Here attitude is very important. We can find out some conclusion this concept. Be a good person with influencing personality. Develop positive attitude. Be the cause of goodness to yourself and others. Make life meaningful. I use references here. Organized Behavior SS Khanka, You Can Win, Shiv Khera, Skill for Excellence. Thank you. In this way, I think you understood the concept of personality development. Thank you again.